Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to Tuesdays. Tuesday in general. I know that those of you who were in school are now working from home for a little bit, so welcome to this slightly different way of working. And today, to start off with, as always, we are going to start off with morning fluency. So let me share my screen with you, and let's have a look at what we are going to be doing today. So we've got morning fluency to start off with. Again, hopefully everyone's on Teams by now, so you can complete the quiz, which is just a bit of a different way of doing it, because it gives you immediate feedback about whether your answer is correct or not. After that, we've got SPAG, then English, then maths, then read theory. Then in the afternoon, we've got science and RE. So that is our day today. Here are your morning fluency questions. Now, obviously, if you're doing this on Teams, then you can come out of the video for now, you can go and do the quiz, and then you can come back to me to go through our target questions. If you're not on Teams yet, please do drop us an email, and Mrs. Lee, I think it is, who's on the emails this week, will get back to you. And hopefully we'll be able to get everyone on Teams so that we can do this as a whole class as well. So here are your questions today. As I said, if you are doing this on Teams, then go back out and go onto the quiz for it, have a go at the questions, and then come back for the 4 target questions. And if you haven't paused it yet to finish these off, pause it now, and I will, when you're ready, press play, and then we'll go through the target questions. Okay, so let's have a look at our target questions. So we've got 184 plus 45. I know 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 tens plus 4 tens is 12 tens. Add the extra 100, so 229 will be my answer there. 12 squared is the same as 12 multiplied by 12, which is 144. 12,000 take away 361. 12,000 take away 300 is 11,700. Take away 60 is 11,640. Take away 1 is 11,639. That's not a 6. There we go. And finally, our division question, which looks at some of the things that we've been doing in the last few days. So 4 goes into 9 twice with 1 left over. So I will put my 1 in here because it adds to the 2 to get 12. 4 goes into 12 3 times, which means that 4 goes into 92, a total of 23 times. Now let's have a look at our word problem. Some children from 2 Year 5 classes collect some money for sport relief by running around the playground and getting their parents to sponsor them. The amounts collected by each class are £36.27 and £42.89. The teachers offer to make the money up to £100. How much will the teachers donate? So first of all, we need to know how much the class is made together. So £36.27 and £42.89. So let's add those together to see how much there is so far. So 7 add 9 is 16. So our 6 goes in there and our 1 goes here. 2 add 8 is 10. Add the extra 1 is 11. So we've got 1 in here, 1 in here. 6 add 2 is 8. Add the 1 is 9. And 3 add 4 is 7. Now I need to make sure that I'm bringing that decimal point down so that it's still there. So they've made £79.16 altogether. The teachers have offered to make the money up to £100, which means the teachers are offering to pay the difference between £79.16p and 100. So we need to do 100, and I'll put the decimals in there because we know that we're dealing with decimals here. Take away £79.16. So let's put these lines in so that we've got our equals. Noughts take away 6 I can't do, but I have to go quite a long way to borrow. So let's change this for a 9, which means this becomes 10. Swap that round for a 9. We need to do lots of borrowing here. Sorry, I went a bit blank there. Sorry, that 1 doesn't become a 9, that 1 becomes a 0. Which means that that becomes 10, and then 9, 10, and then we borrow from it, which means it becomes 9. Basically, we end up with 99 pretty much everywhere, which means that this will become 10, and then borrowed from to become 9, and then this one becomes 10. There we go. So 10 take away 6 is 4. I've lost that there. 9 take away 1 is 8. Bring the decimal down so that the decimal is still there. 9 take away 9 is 0, and 9 take away 7 is 2, which means that the teachers are ending up filling in £20 and 84 pence to get it up to £100. Hopefully you managed to get through some of them, and hopefully when you're on the quiz it was able to tell you how you were getting on, and it's helped you to get your mind in the right place for your learning today.